Welcome. This course is about how to make excellent PowerPoint presentations and thus leave an impressive mark on the audience. At some point during your studies or at some point at your work, you probably will have the need to or you would want to use some kind of presentation to share with others your findings. The setting could be a classroom, a scientific meeting, business meetings, speeches such as health-related speech, political speech, or promotional speech. For this reason, although overhead projectors and document cameras can be used on such occasions, with the advancement of technology, new methods of presentation have been developed. One such advancement in software development is PowerPoint by Microsoft. This is a powerful presentation software that is actually part of the Microsoft Office suite, along with MS Word, MS Excel, and other productivity tools. Some of the older versions of PowerPoint for Windows date back to 2007 and 2010. I'm using PowerPoint 2013 version for Windows for this course. Now, the latest version of PowerPoint is that of 2016, and it is unique in that the program allows you to share your presentation with others directly. This course does have the aim to develop basic presentation skills for those who do not have any experience in giving talks and to remove anxiety related to public speaking. But its main goal is to provide several strategies that will help make the presentation of excellent quality. Ultimately, the main purpose is to provide well-proven ideas and strategies for the speaker and therefore prepare him or her to give an excellent presentation in such a way that the targeted audience has a take-home message. During my graduate studies and at work, I had the opportunity to present my data at several scientific and local meetings. At quite a few of these meetings, I had won excellent or exceptional presentation awards, of which 3 of them are mentioned over here, from 2009 being the latest, 2008 and 2006. I have given over 15 presentations at local, regional, and national levels in scientific meetings. These were related to either the graduate studies, research, or related to work, which was also research focused. I'm convinced that it was my thoroughness and along with clarity in the communication that has allowed me to earn those rewards. Now, I would like to share those skills with those interested in learning the same.